Hi guys, welcome to another video dedicated to discuss ideas on personal finance, business ideas, motivation. So on this particular video, I'll be talking about, or I'll be discussing top digital marketing skills to make money online. There are many skills that you can use to make money out there, and some of them they are free to gain. But the thing is, most people don't even have the access to this information. They don't know which kind of skills they need to acquire, how to use it, where to acquire it, and how to use those skills to make money for themselves. So I'll be covering some of those skills, especially two key skills that you need to make some money for yourself online, where you can get those skills, where you can acquire those skills free, and how you will be able to use it, where you'll be able to use it. All I'll be sharing in this video. So those are my outline for this video. The skills needed, where you acquire those skills, how to turn those skills to money making machine for yourself. The skills I'll be talking about in this video will be digital marketing skills. So the two digital marketing skills I will be highlighting in this video is, one is Facebook ads. That is how to set up a Facebook ad. So you can, if you are able to acquire that skills, if you are able to know how to place Facebook ads, have a good return on investment on those ad spent, then this is a valuable skill that small businesses are looking for, those who have those skills, to be able to help them to advertise their services online or products online, especially on Facebook or on Google. So the second digital marketing skill is how to use Google Ads, how to use Google Ads to maximize ad spend. So I will be showing you where you can get those skills, where you can acquire those skills free of charge, where you'll be able to put those skills to use to make money for yourself. So the first website I will be talking about is skillshop.withgoogle.com. So on this platform, this is a platform owned by Google. So you can access some free training, online training here on Google Ads, and some other training that are offered by Google free of charge. So once you get to skillshopwithgoogle.com, you click on get started. Then once you click on get started, you see a variety of options or topics that you can get free of charge training on. So it ranges from Google Ads, Google for Education, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, YouTube, Google Ad Manager, Google Cloud, with Fundamental e-learning, Google AdMob, Authorized Buyer, Android Enterprise Academy. So these are free training that are offered by Google. So, but in this video, our focus is on Google Ads. So you click on Google Ads. Then once it takes you to the page that has Google Ads, you have a variety of options that you can get certified in. So there is a Google Ads certification, there's apply your Google Ads knowledge, there's build upon your Google Ads expertise, there's Google Ads search, there's Google Ads discovery, there's Google Ads display, there's Google Ads video, there's shopping ad, there's Google Ads measurement. So these are all types of Google Ads that you can get trained in. So these are a variety of options. So, but in this video, we'll be using the Google Ads search. or we can go with the Google Ads certification. So the Google Ads certification kind of like I have some topics under it. For instance, you have the Google Ads display certification, you have the Google Ads search certification, you have the Google Ads measurement certification, you have the Google Ads video certification, you have the shopping ads certification. So under this you can, so what you just need to do here is to so you can see on this far side, the first dot means you are a beginner, means that's the beginning stage of those training. So that's the beginning part of those training. That's the beginners level. So the next thing you're gonna do on this page is probably if you want to filter. So for instance, you can decide to go with the Google Ads display certification or Google Ads search certification. So the most important one is usually the Google Ads search certification, because this is like the first aspect of it. Like for instance, if you go on Google and you search, you're searching for a particular product or services on Google. So this is the Google Ads search. So it means if you are using the Google Ads search, so it means that if you type on Google and probably you are you are placing ads for a particular company or a particular company that are putting their services online or putting their product online, and then someone searches for a keyword that is in part of the services that is being placed on Google Ads search, then the company's name might pop up, or the company service or product might pop up. So this is the first part. So Google Ads search certification, you can do that as the first one, then take the other training as it goes. So this is one area where you can get that certification free of charge. So the next platform where you can also get free training is HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy. So the website is academy.hubspot.com. So they have some paid certification and they have some free certification. So some of them are free while some are paid. So for instance, they have the designing effective Google Ads campaign. They have digital advertising. For instance, if you go with this one, so you have to have an account. So for instance, so I just log in with my own account because I already have an account with them. So you have this course, designing effective Google Ads campaign. So this is another lens to like the free training that you have through Google. So this is another free training that you're gonna have that will also help you to hone your skills, or to acquire this new skill if probably you don't have that skill before now. So once you are done acquiring these skills, especially the one that's going to give you certification, that's the first one I showed you. You're going to get a certification for that. So at least that you will have something to show that you have been certified to be able to carry out stuff or work related to this particular area when it comes to Google Ads or Facebook Ads. For instance, on this platform, HubSpot Academy, you can also do Facebook ads. Facebook, for instance, if you type Facebook ads, so I just type in Facebook ads, so you can, so it's asking me to connect my account, writing Facebook, you type Facebook ads training. On this side, so this is a page for the Facebook ads training. So you can also take free Facebook ads on this platform. So this is a Facebook ad training, how to build great ads and audiences on Facebook. So this is a free Facebook ads on HubSpot Academy. So once you are done acquiring these skills, the next thing is how to use these skills to make money. So there are different platforms where you can actually use the skills, place your services on those platforms, on those websites where buyers will come and patronize you. So one of them is Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a free is a freelancing platform where you have people who are offering different kind of services, and people coming to get those services and paying for those services. So for instance, here we are on Google. On Fiverr. Here we are on Fiverr. I just typed in Google Ads. So for instance, if you see Google Ads, you see a lot of people rendering these services on Fiverr. For instance, the first one that we see here is it said that I will create a Google Ads marketing strategy and increase your ROI, and then it's charging and the rate is starting from $385, and already this particular seller already have 80 reviews, right? So it's even possible that this particular seller might even have more than 80 reviews, because some buyers don't even drop reviews, right? So let's just even assume that this seller already have 80 reviews, right? 80 buyers, right? So then there's another one. I will set up your Google Ads with a secret methodology, and you can see this person is displaying showing that he's already certified, right? It's the same course or the same training that I just showed you that some of these people were trained on, or got is the same training that I just showed you that these people also undertook, right, to be able to acquire these skills. And even you can see on this far side, Google Ads certified, right? This person is charging $140, and already this person have 32 reviews. So at least it's saying that this person already sold his service or a service to 32 people. And then again, you can see other ones. You have this guy here already have about 121 reviews, making the price start at $95. Definitely there are different packages, right? Like for instance, let's just click and see. So the basic one is 95. The standard is 105, and the premium is 165. So yeah, so what you can do is come on Fiverr, register yourself. It's free to register, right? It's free to register. Create your profile. One of the things you can do is look at those who are in your niche. Try to model them. Try to like create your own profile. Look at their profile, the way they created their profile, especially for those who have like reasonable number of reviews and have a very high rating. For instance, this particular guy has have about 121 reviews and has 4.9 rating. So definitely this guy is a good seller. So this is kind of a seller that you can probably model. Look at how he kind of structure his profile and all that. And another thing you can do also to boost your profile, because those are the things that buyers also look at, especially for those who are just starting out, right? Like, so you can create a personal video where you show yourself and just tell prospective buyers what you do, what you want to do, how you're gonna render your services, how they will benefit from your services and all that. So just create a good video explaining the value that you add to their business, right? So try that approach. Model successful seller on Fiverr, and have a very good profile. So, and then another key tips is have a lower price when starting out. Have a reduced price, right? So until you then get some to a particular level where you can get a lot of, you are starting to get a lot of traffic from Fiverr, and then you get a lot of good reviews and people start patronizing you more, then you can start increasing your price, right? So but when you're starting out, reduce your prices. Different packages, you can reduce your prices. Make sure you have a very good price that will attract customers, because you're just starting out. You can't be compared to someone like this guy here that already has about 121 reviews, right? So you need to have a very reasonable price. Have like a video where you're gonna explain your services, how you add value to prospective buyers, sorry, and then model successful seller on Fiverr to create your own profile. So that is how you make money using these skills that you have acquired through Google and HubSpot. So, and there are other platforms where you can also register and sell your services, like Upwork and other services, other platform freelancing platform that you can search online. So the best thing is put your services on a different platform as much as possible, so that you can maximize the money that comes through that. So that is all for this video. I've been able to explain the skills, digital marketing skills, where to get them, and where to sell those services through the skills that you have acquired. So, or if you like this video, please give it a like, and subscribe if you have not done so. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting a lot of value from this channel, from different videos that we'll be posting on this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and see you next time.